In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize photos with Canva Magic Expand. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Canva or to AI tools, you'll be able to follow along easily and get great results. First, open your design in Canva where you want to resize or extend your photo. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options like templates, elements, and text. In that same panel, find and click on Uploads. This is where all the images and files you've brought into Canva are stored, including the photo you want to resize or expand. After you click on Uploads, look through your uploaded images and find the photo you want to work with. When you see it, click on the photo once. Canva will automatically place it onto your canvas or page. You can drag the corners to roughly position it, but don't worry too much about the exact placement yet, because Magic Expand will help you fill in the extra space later. Next, make sure the photo on your canvas is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around the image. At the top of the screen, a toolbar will appear. In that toolbar, click on Edit. This opens up Canva's editing options specifically for that image. Inside the editing options, look for the feature called Magic Expand. This is Canva's AI-powered tool that allows you to extend the edges of your photo so you can fit it into a wider layout, a taller format, or just create more background space around your subject. Click on Magic Expand to activate it. Once Magic Expand is open, you'll usually see options related to how you want the image to be extended. When you're ready, click on Expand. Canva will then analyze your existing photo and automatically generate new content around it to fill in the extra space. This might take a moment, so give it a few seconds to process. After the expand process finishes, review the result on your canvas. If something looks slightly off, you can undo and try again, or adjust the placement of your image within the design. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. Your photo has been resized and extended using Canva Magic Expand, ready to be used in your design, shared online, or downloaded.